Our friends at Crafter's Companion has done something different with these papers, but they're just beautiful. These are called Blues and Lilacs. They are 12 by 12 cardstock. They are double-sided. You're going to get 24 sheets in this. There are going to be 4 designs. You're going to get 6 of each one. So let me show them to you. And just beautiful, just like this. I do love the 2 borders on each side because as a scrapbooker, I'm going to put my photos in the middle. As a card maker, I'm going to cut this into quarters and make 4 absolutely beautiful cards. On the back side, there is a coordinating pattern. We'll go to the second sheet. Isn't that beautiful, all over floral? And again, these are cardstock. You can kind of feel how sturdy that is. Here's the back side, very ghosted back flourishes. And here is the third sheet. So beautiful. The Blues and Lilacs was a beautiful name. And then we've got a diamond on the back. And here is the 4th sheet. Just really brings those diamonds in there. And then on the back side, you've got a purple dot. Beautifully done. So all of these are coordinating. Very different look. You can certainly add our flowers, our dazzles, our ribbons, so many things to coordinate with these. Blues and Lilacs from Crafter's Companion.